Alright, guys and girls and women and children and men. Today, at Battalion Airsoft Arena Tech Shop, I'm going to be taking a Lancer Tactical Gen4 and turning it into a work of art. So, as always, we're going to shoot it first, see what it sounds like, see how it acts. So as you can see, with the Gate Aster 2, that's what they come with. If you order the one with powered by a Gate one, trigger response is actually really good. Full auto, super fast. How fast you say? Well, let's figure that out real quick. Alright, so that is with 2.5 BBs. It's around 300 FPS and look like 20 RPS, which is not bad out the box with 2.5s. And it was close to 1 joule, so I'll give you an idea where we were versus where we're going. So, boom. Alright. We switched her up to 2 O's now. Let's see what we got here. Ripper. What? Okay, much better with cleaning it out. Hitting the pole every time. All I needed was clean out. And that's what you get with the brushless G5, the Max hop up, the Max nozzle, Maple Leaf 70-degree bucking, Gate Aster 2, Lancer Tactical Gen4, speed trigger, all revved up. Let's go, boys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm JJ Moore. Keep it real, y'all. Have a good day.